What the fudge is up, y'all? It's your girl, Jessica. So we're back here, y'all, with another mukbang. But before we get anything started, let's go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Turn on that notification bell so you know when I am releasing videos. And if you like the video, go ahead and give it a like and comment. Please, thank you. So today we're eating some Five Guys. I was gonna get a sandwich from Jersey Mike's, but then I went shopping at Ulta and realized Five Guys was across the street and was like, oh shit, I guess I have too much soda. I realized Five Guys was across the street and I was like, I really want a burger. Like, that sounds really good. I don't know if you have tried Five Guys before. Let me know in the comments below if you have. I'm trying to think if I forgot anything in my intro. I don't think I did. But I also got some ginger ale because I was Googling like what's the most carbonated soda, and it was Coca-Cola and ginger ale seems to be like the top two. So we'll see how this goes. I'll do Coke in the next video next week. Oh yeah, that's fizzy. That's fizzy. Yeah, that's nice. It's the Seagram's one. So yeah, I got Five Guys. Honestly, I'm not really the biggest fan of Five Guys, but let's go ahead and get this really quick thumbnail in here real quick. All right, y'all. Don't worry, I'm not wearing any makeup right now, so this is all me. But yeah. Got a lot to talk about. So let's go ahead and let's try a bite of this burger first. So they have this whole meal right here with a large drink, fries, a hot dog, and their cheeseburger was $25, y'all. I know some people love Five Guys and they're like, oh, it's better than In-N-Out. I just personally, for me, In-N-Out's hella cheap. I could have got like probably 3 meals at In-N-Out for the same price, maybe even 4. I don't know, but let me know like what's your favorite burger joint? Let me know in the comments below. Let's go ahead and try this out. All right. So this is the burger. Their cheeseburgers have 2 patties, and I guess their little cheeseburgers have like just 1 single patty. So I guess that's a plus that, this is the burger. It's a big guy. And I got mayo, mustard, ketchup, tomato, pickles, grilled onions, and fuck, what am I missing? I forgot. My mind is all over the place, y'all. Okay. That's good. That's really good. It's good, but not worth $25. And my bun's kind of soggy. So, a little update. I stopped smoking weed, y'all. So, I was supposed to release the video yesterday, but I've been dealing with like a lot of like cannabis withdrawal symptoms, weed withdrawal symptoms, whatever. So I have not really had that much of an appetite, and I have like no motivation. I stopped smoking last Wednesday, so it's already been a week that I haven't consumed cannabis or alcohol. I pretty much just have my tobacco pen and caffeine. That's the only thing that I'm really consuming right now that is considered a drug. So I pretty much just didn't release a video yesterday because I had no appetite, I had no motivation to do anything. And yeah, so I was like, today I felt better and I decided, well, fuck it, let's make a video. Make it up to y'all. I'm sorry that I didn't release anything yesterday. Their fries are okay. All right, they're good. It's good. It's good. Okay, and look, check this hot dog out. They cut open their dog, they grill it on the grill, and they put it in this, like, this is, I'm not gonna lie, this looks bomb. Oh shit, I just dropped relish all over the floor. All right. Okay. That's pretty good. Damn, they like fill your bag up with fries too. So they give you a cup of fries, they put it in the bag, and then they throw a bunch of fries inside of the bag. So there's hella bag fries, which is fun. But yeah, so pretty much I stopped smoking weed, so I like haven't really been eating that well. My sleep has not been very good. The first 3 days of not smoking, my sleep was really, really bad. My anger and rage was like at the top of, like, I was at the brink of it. Like, I just fucking wanted to just go off on everyone. I hated everyone. I hated myself. I just hated life for the first 3 days. And I was like, no, I made the decision to stop smoking weed because I've been smoking for 11 years and I did it. I'm not going to continue because I'm not trying to be a 30-year-old pothead. That's just not what I want in my life. No shame to anyone that still smokes. And if you're over 30, that's on you, you know, that's not me. But for me in my life, like, I have no motivation when I smoke. I procrastinate everything. I eat, you know, stupid shit. And more or less, it's just like, I just get so into scrolling on TikTok and on YouTube and on Instagram when I'm high. So like, there's nothing that comes from me. I'm not productive in any way. Excuse me. That was a good one. So yeah, I kind of just wanted to come up here, I kind of just wanted to make a YouTube video to update you guys. Just let you know that, like, my apologies for not making a video yesterday. I just didn't really have anything in me to do it. So I'm making it today. I will release it today. And I really appreciate y'all rocking with me. But I kind of just wanted to come on here and just take a couple bites and like drink my drink because I'm actually gonna go live on TikTok. So I really wanted to make this a short video for y'all, and I will be back here on Tuesday with a full length mukbang video with Coca-Cola because I think Coca-Cola actually does a job. I don't like the taste of Coca-Cola. It's not my favorite, but I know it does make me like burpy. So yeah, I just really wanted to hang out with you guys for like 10 minutes and eat a couple bites, but I'm just gonna go live on TikTok. And I was supposed to go live last Wednesday on my TikTok, y'all, and that was the day that I stopped smoking weed. So I'm making it up to my fans, my 49,000 followers, with this meal. But oh, that one was like hot doggy. But yeah, if you guys want to see like more of the food eating stuff, go hit up my TikTok. I'm always posting videos on my TikTok. I'm always like doing daily vlogs on my Instagram. You can find those at TheFoodBrat. Instagram, I changed it to TheFoodBrat_. So I don't have to, there's no zeros or anything anymore. It was just really complicated when I would type out my handle and people would think that the zeros were O's. So everything is the Food Brat across the board on everything that you look me up on, the Food Brat. So thank you y'all for rocking with me. I just wanted to throw this up here real quick, and I'll be back here on Tuesday. We'll be eating a full meal. I'm thinking maybe Jersey Mike's or Ike's, because that's what I was gonna do today, but then I saw Five Guys and I'm like, I want Five Guys. So with that, y'all, I'm out. I really appreciate it. And I know this one was really short and it feels so weird stopping right now, but this is just what I wanted. I just kind of wanted to update y'all and let y'all know that, like, I'm still doing my thing. But, excuse me. They're like all coming in at the end right now. But, yeah, we'll be back here Tuesday with a full mukbang. Add me on Instagram, add me on, YouTube, on TikTok. Follow me on TikTok. And if you haven't already subscribed to my videos, please go ahead and subscribe. Help out your girl in her food endeavors. I'm almost at 1,000 subs, y'all. We're right there. I think the last time I checked, I was at 911. So let's hit that subscribe button and get your girl to 1,000 so I start monetizing off these things. This is what the whole purpose was. So with that, I'm out, y'all, and I love y'all, and I hope y'all have a great rest of the week. You can see my energy is a lot more now that I'm not smoking weed no more. So yeah, we will talk later. Okay, bye.